Good morning, happy Sunday. It is a beautiful Sunday out here, man. Oh my God, this makes me want to change all of my plans. I just want to be outside and enjoy this day. It is now that time of the year where you do want to take advantage of every beautiful day there is, and I recommend you should. You know, these winters are getting longer and longer, and even more heavy with bad weather, so we need to soak all this beautiful weather in. But today what I have planned is I'm going to run to the studio real quick, paint a wall, then I may meet up with Ian. We're deciding if we want to do it today or push it to tomorrow, so I'm not 100% sure on that. And again, once I'm done with that, once I make that decision, I have a whole full free day to do whatever I like. I'm all caught up with vlogs, so I can do client work tonight. So I'm thinking about taking the kids and the wife to New York City, maybe the High Line, maybe Brooklyn. I don't know, but I think I'm gonna figure it out and just take advantage of this loveliness. Yeah, let's roll. Change of plans, guys. The guy who I'm shooting, Ian, he's ready, so I'm here at the studio to pick up 2 cameras. Yeah, I'm a little extra. Okay, in yesterday's vlog, I came here to pick up a few cameras, and I know you're wondering, why the hell do you have so many cameras? But again, just like I explained yesterday, it is a different camera for different situations. Today I'm taking portrait shots, so I need a DSLR. Yesterday I only had this point and shoot, I had the drone, and I had the GoPro. I would never do a photo shoot with any of those cameras. I mean, the point and shoot can accomplish some pretty cool things, as you're watching right now, but you have a little bit more control with a DSLR. I'll explain later because I'm in a rush, but yeah, it's this guy right here. See that? If you're familiar with this vlog, I explain to you why I don't use that to vlog with. I'll link it below. Hey guys, one of the things that I enjoy most about vlogging is the music. And while driving, I heard a song that made me change the perception of today. I think I'm going to shoot a short film. Alright guys, I'm with the subject of the day, Ian. Say what up, Ian.
What's up, man? How you doing?
You guys ready?
No.
You not ready?
Yeah,
We're about to make some magic.
It's a good choice. Going through litigation. All we ask is ventilation. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
You're not like having those like.
Right. Alright guys, what did you think of Ian and our first batch of photos? We're now on our way to shoot a second set. We're hopping in the car, so we'll see you there. Right.
More staying on your daily.
Staying on your daily, okay.
Yeah, this is staying on your daily. Like this is more like who we are.
Right.
Like this is a big part of our life. That's
Like
why
every single, like for the most part, we're dressed like this.
I'm always dressed like this.
Yeah.
And athletics is a big part of our lives.
Got it.
We did run 6 miles yesterday.
Yep, 6 miles.
6 miles.
So we're now on location for the second scene. We're going for an athletic look, in which Ian just described as a deli look, a stay on your deli look, where it's just a chill, casual look. This particular guy can do whatever he wants in his outfit and still look classy, clean, cool, comfortable, all of that all in one. So we came out to a track. We probably get
that we never run on.
That we never run on. Yeah, we don't run on tracks. You know, it's not too. We're too good for tracks.
Too good for tracks, but it's good for older people with bad knees.
I got some questions. ones I need help to understand.
I need some oil and gasoline for the lawnmower. Daddy got the goods. I broke the lawnmower. My lawnmower don't work, but someone else's does. Show me, Jaden. It works? Cut the grass for Daddy. Come on. Wow, look at that. It's really working.